welcome to part 2 of my Vegas vlog. We've been out here for 6 days now and we have 3 more nights. Make sure to check out my first vlog because we did a lot. We saw a Cirque du Soleil show, we had dinner at the Flights restaurant, and then we had brunch at Cafe Lola, and then we also had dinner at Pinches Tacos. So we've been doing a lot. My voice is going out. But we just checked into the Cosmo. We're here for 1 night and then we're going back to MGM. We've been staying at MGM the whole time, but my husband was able to get a comp here at the Cosmo. It's just way nicer than MGM. We even have robes. Like, I wish we stayed here the whole time. But if I were to stay anywhere on this trip, it would definitely be the Cosmo. It's just the nicest all around, in my opinion. I'm gonna be sad when we leave tomorrow, but let me give you a little room tour. We also have a little balcony. A nice balcony. This is our view. Where's that music coming from? Nice little couch. So this is right when you walk in. This is the door to the bathroom. I love this full-length mirror. I'm dressed like this because we're gonna go to the gym in a little bit. Check that out. Apparently there's 2 gyms here, but we're gonna go check out the bigger one. This is the bathroom. It's huge. We didn't have a tub at the MGM, so I love that. Very spacious. You have a TV, a little sitting area. My man is exhausted from all of his work conferences. He had 3 days of conferences in a row. It's just so cute in here. And then we have some robes in here. Safe. It's 2:41 right now. We're gonna go check out the gym, get in a quick workout, and then I wanna check out the pool for a little bit as well since we're only here for 1 night. And then we have dinner plans with my girlfriend. I haven't seen her in like 10 years, so I'm really excited. We're going to the Best Friend restaurant at Park MGM. I've heard a lot about it, and I bought a new dress that I'm really excited to wear. So I think dinner's at 6, so we kind of need to put a pep in our step. Make sure you're following me on TikTok and on Instagram, and make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. I just got done getting ready for dinner. I love my outfit. This dress is so freaking cute. I bought this purse off of DHgate like over a year ago and I have hardly ever worn it, so it matches perfectly with this outfit. I'm really excited for dinner. I love my hair too. I use the hair Blinger. It works so well. I was like rushing to get ready because I was filming a TikTok tutorial too, so we have to go. We're heading out the door on our way to prom. It's about noon on Saturday. My man went to the gym and I just got done getting ready for the pool. My family's gonna come meet us. We're gonna have a little pool day and then I'm not sure what we're gonna do next. Everything's kind of just up in the air, but this is our last full day here and my voice is still hanging on for dear life. I'm about to make myself an emergency and my celery powder. Today's our 8th day out here in Vegas, so we're ready to go home now. Yesterday we just chilled. We haven't had any downtime the whole time we've been out here. So we just relaxed in the room all day. There was a Harry Potter marathon on, so we were watching that. And then we finally got out of bed like around 8 o'clock at night and walked the strip. We went and got a Fat Tuesday, and then we went and had some pizza at Italy at Park MGM. I haven't ate there yet, so it was nice to try it out. My sisters were gonna come out and meet us on the strip last night since it was a Friday night, but we just called it an early night. Thursday recap, Best Friend was okay. My personal opinion on that is I just think it was overpriced and overhyped. I wasn't like blown away by the food. We all ordered their prefix dinner option because they said everyone had to get it at the table, so we did that. I wasn't blown away. Like I said, I would have been fine getting dinner somewhere else, like I don't know, some street pizza or something. I don't know. It was good, but it wasn't amazing, and I would not go back. And then after dinner, we went and got a drink at the Chandelier Bar, and then we met up with my sisters and went to the Speakeasy at the Barbershop, which is at the Cosmopolitan. It was so much fun. I felt like we were at a concert, and I don't know if they ever charge a cover fee. The last time I went, I don't think they did either, so I think that's just so cool that they have such great music and there's no cover charge, which, you know, they have a lot of cover charges out here for different things. My man and I went to a dueling piano bar at New York, and they had a $25 cover fee, and it was not nearly as fun. So I was just surprised by that. If you've never been to the Speakeasy at the Barbershop at the Cosmopolitan, you definitely have to go. It's so much fun. And I was surprised to see that their beers were actually cheaper than the beers that we had at the Level Up bar at the MGM. They were charging $20 for, it was a large beer, but $20 for a beer, whereas the Speakeasy at the Barbershop was only charging $10 for a draft beer. So I was just like, my mind was blown. But yeah, 10 out of 10. That's another reason why my voice is going out, because we were just singing our hearts out. Oh, another thing I will say about the barbershop is they do have a dress code for guys. My girlfriend's boyfriend couldn't get in because he was wearing shorts. I think it's so silly because women can literally go in wearing flip-flops or flats, but for whatever reason, men have to be wearing pants. So that's one thing to know. I'm craving another Starbucks. I've had so much Starbucks this trip. It's a little embarrassing, but after this trip, I probably won't have any Starbucks for a long time because I have an espresso machine at home. So we're back home now. We've been back for a few days and it feels so great to be home. We had a great time in Vegas, but I feel like we might have been out there a little bit too long. I'm just glad we survived. And let me show you what I discovered on my phone. If you watched my first Vegas vlog, then you'll know that I almost lost my phone. My screen protector was cracked, so I changed it when we got back home, and I took my case off to do that. So I didn't take my case off the whole time we were in Vegas. The day after I got my phone back, I noticed my camera was shattered, and I didn't take my case off until we got back home so I could clean it. And let me freaking show you. I had an idea my phone was ran over by a car because the valet guy had it. Like it must have fallen out of my sister's car when she dropped us off onto the pavement where all of the taxis were dropping everyone off, and I'm sure a car had to run over my phone. Like there's no way it just like hit the concrete that bad. Let me take my case off so I can show you. So I have the iPhone 13 Pro. I just got it last year and I'm like, oh my God. I mean, I'll take this over losing my phone, but sheesh, look at that. I'm surprised my camera still works, and I was contemplating getting a whole new phone, but since the camera still works, I feel like there's no reason to. The back is smooth to the touch, thank God. My poor phone. It's been through so much. So for our last day in Vegas, we ended up going back to the barbershop because I loved it that much and I wanted my parents to check it out. Unfortunately, their live bands don't start until around 9:30, 10, and we wanted to call it an early night. So we didn't get to see the live music, but we did have a few drinks. Now that we've been home for a few days, I'm starting to slowly get back into my routines. I'm not gonna lie, I haven't been to the gym yet, but one day at a time. August was a crazy month. September is gonna be really chill. I don't have any plans this month. Next month we have a wedding in Tennessee, so I'm really excited for that. I still need to get a dress. I'm gonna try to be a homebody since I've been doing so much traveling lately. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok and on Instagram, and make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel.